Hello, your friend Jim is here to share more about research, a problem statement in research. Let's start our video from the second slide. What is a statement? What is a problem statement in research? A problem statement is a concise description of an issue to be addressed, a condition to be improved upon. It identifies the gap between the current problem state and desired goal. Set of process or product. Focusing on the facts, the problem statement should be designed to address the 5 W's. The first condition of solving a problem is understanding the problem, which can be done by way of a problem statement. What's a problem statement? Research. Problem statement are widely used by the most business and organization to execute process improvement project. A simple, well-defined problem statement will be used by the project team to understand the work problem and work toward developing a situation will also provide a management with specific insight into the problem so that they can make appropriate project. A proven decision as such is crucial for the problem statement to be clear and unambiguous. How to write a problem statement? Describe how things should work. Explain the problem and state why it matters. Explain your problem's financial cost, backup your claims, purpose, a solution. Explain benefits of your purpose, solution. Conclude by summarizing the problem and the solution. What are the 5 elements of the problem statement? What is a problem statement? Problem statement lead to the reader from a shared context to the conception of a problem and onto the proposed solution. Status quo. The status quo refer to channel to things as they are. Destabilize the moment, question, consequences, solution, examples, and references. After a problem statement, put the problems in the context. What do we already know? Describe the precise issue that the research will address. What do we need to know? Show the relevance of the why. Why do we need to know it? Set the objective of the research. What will you do to find out? What's the good problem statement? The problem statement should focus your thinking, research, and solution toward a single population issue. Measurable problem can be measured in a term of degree and frequency. The strong problem statement incorporates the measurable aspect of both the degree and the frequency of the problems. What does a problem statement look like? A problem statement usually 1 or 2 sentences to explain the problems your process improvement project will address. In general, problem statement will outline the negative point of the current situation and explain why this mattered. What are the key elements of the problem? Problem statement often have 3 elements. Problem itself stated clearly with enough conceptual detail to what is important. The method of the solving problem often stated as a claim or a working thesis there. Purpose statement of the object and scope of the document the writer is preparing. What is a smart problem statement? What does it mean for a problem statement to be smart? As you can see from the first example, SMART is an acronym for specific, measurable, action-oriented, relevant, time-bound. A good problem statement should be all of those things that challenge to balance being true with being concise. How to identify a research problem? You can identify a research problem by reading research theories and debates on your topic. To find a gap in what is currently known about it, you must look for a phenomena or context that has not been closely studied, a contradiction between 2 or more perspectives. What's the problem and questions? Question is when you ask someone and something problem is an having issue and does not have to be interpreted, it justly uses. What is problem statement in a thesis? How do I write a problem statement for my thesis? A problem statement is broad overviews of the question that will address in a given area of research. Its outline, the description of the issue, include a vision, suggest the method used to solve the problem, and provide a hypothesis. Thank you so much. Let's watch the video and subscribe my channel.